Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an. Myntri ka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah baga sports and youth affairs ma wailat mi ki shilla u ong ba omdan hok longbriu manbriu lada omdan hok hagaktin ktadak. Day halor ka nebo Myntri ukuntu jurban pin is ngolem bad Iarap yaki para patba ki badan Jingduna hakabor perkhan ki bam yo sngo ne bam yo i. Ya ganil apan pau da Myntri haba ulay shim benta ha gajing rakhi ya ka World International Deaf Day kabala pelong ha ka auditorium jong ka St. Anthony's College shillo. Da ka office u commissioner badai pet yaki briu badan Jingduna bor PWD. Ha ringkat ka jingya trailang bar ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs SRCDA Composite Regional Center CRC Shillong bar ka Meghalaya Deaf Association. Kapang jongani kasngi kalong no human rights without sign language rights. Uba shilaw laong ba kalong kapasngosi na markipait ba bun ba hakisor bat nong kendong kimtip yakilat Iarap na kanyang ka Sorkar. Kumta ula Pdiang badBthah Tnad Sorkar ki badan benta ban Iarap hok yakibriu badan Jingduna Dkhot da kaba ay jinghikai Iarap bat jingtim. Myntri ubrang shushimti yakashuki ukular ban pelong shibun ki program kum ka camp ban ithu ikibriu badan Jingduna bor ka jingay Iarap badru ka purple fair ka ba ay rinsan yaki ban pen i yala kasam. Ula pen kenmau ba ka Sorkar ka dan shibun ki skim kerpang kum ka scholarship puli nadu ka nursery hadu ki kadan puli bahe kenthop school fees kitab uniform bat bailit school. Scholarship kerpang yakitu ki badan sab ha ka puli. Skill training program ringkat kabay bam bat baisa hadu arhajar tingka shibnai bat ka Iarap bansdang yala ka kam lajang. MHIS bat ki scheme sumarpang. Unique Disability ID UDID card ban pensuk ya ka jingyo Iarap. Hagani kasngi Myntri ulapan napat ba ru ya ka Meghalaya Sign Bank App kabade ban long kalat ban yaso hapdeng ki pat ba bat ki ba shudep download ya ka ktin ktadak ula kentu ya ki pat ba bakin download no mador ya ka app banang tip ya ki daktin ki ba kongsan. Kum Myntri uba shilla ula kular ban kentiu ru ya ki para sports ban ailat ya ki samla badan Jingduna bor ban yo jingsneng jingshai bat ban yakun hakikadan bakham shalot. Ha kabakut ula ay ka jingero ya ka office u commissioner SRCDA CRC bat kikin hun ki blaya trailang bat ula khot ya ka imlang salang ban shimti ka benta ha ka Iarap bat jingsngolem lingba ka jingsngothu ya ka tin ktadak.
It is much happening said and a lot of challenges in front of us. And especially like rightly pointed out by from Bridget Warsaw, that in order to be able to see these challenges, we are really in need of the entity. And for this, I would really congratulate the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities for the just recently, as we have been announced, that they have launched the Meghalaya Sign Bank app, which will be a bridge to communicate with the person with disability. But I believe, no doubt we were discussing to have the interpreter. But if we just have them also, if we as the public, as the people of the state, if we are not ready to learn, it will be meaningless. So that's why I would like to request you today at this moment, we should not just standing here celebrating the International Deaf Day. We should show it in action. So first I will request each and everyone here, please take out your mobile. Please take out your mobile. I will request each and everyone, and please download this Meghalaya Sign Bank app now. Please Because I know maybe even later on we have many things to do, so we might forget. So I request all of you who are having a mobile phone, a smartphone, which I am totally confident that each and every one of you have. Please open the Play Store and type Meghalaya Sign Bank app and please download it. And at the same time, not just download it. And I will request you, I know it's not possible to learn each and everything, but I will request at the end of this program, I will request the interpreter to please teach us also few sign language. So we will learn today few sign language. At least we will be able to greet our deaf people. But at the end of the program. So, at the same time, I would like to congratulate the office, the SD, the SRCDA, the CRC Shillong for their efforts. But like I said, a lot to be done. And I like to urge the department, what is really important? Because when I check the kind of assistance, the kind of different support which the government gives is many. But I'm quite shocked to know that even in the urban areas also they don't know about this support. So that's why I was urging our commissioner to please to give awareness to, especially to the rural areas. That is very much important. As I said, there are different assistance given from the government. Whether in terms of health, as you know, we have the NHIS card, where these people can avail up to 1 lakh. But other than that, you have a special card for it. That is the Niramaya card. Another 1 lakh rupees. Another 1 lakh rupees you can avail for medical benefit. And we have given the UDID card, and very soon I will be taking the review meeting regarding the registration and the process, and I will try my level best from my end to make it easily accessible for people to register themselves. And in terms of education, you know the government is giving their education scholarship from the Koit, the school fees. We have the scholarship for books, for uniform, even for traveling allowance. We have provision for that. So I urge you to take the benefit for this. Since from class nursery till you complete your PG, the government have education scholarship for you all. And that is you and your institution. You, along with the other institution, as you can see from the Ethnic Society also, along with other institutions, you are really a beacon of hope for our people with disability in our state. So on behalf of the government, I would really like to thank you. Respected Dr. M.P. Lalu, the Additional CEO SRCDA, Director of CRC, Sri Ramshwar Sahani, whom I met few months back. But I'm so happy that in the past few months we have arranged many programs for people with disabilities in our district of West district. We have arranged a camp to identify the people with disability. We have distributed many kits, and just recently we have organized the Purple Fair for the people with disabilities. which have really given them a platform to showcase their talent, to register themselves for many assistance, and also giving them the opportunity to know the kind of support and assistance given from the state and from the central government. I would also thank to all the participants, especially the performance of today's program, which have really moved us all. With all the challenges, they have really presented beautifully in different presentations. I thank all the invitees today. We have a free coaching program conducted by the CRC for you to, in order to appear to different competitive examinations. And for those who have different talent, we have support for training program, for skill development. We have a training program where in that training program you will be given a stipend of 2,000 rupees per month. In that there is I think a 3-month program and a 6-month program, if I'm not wrong. Where you can get it through the CRC and the SRBC. But there is a training program where you will be given stipend, and that's not all. After you finish your training program, they will send you for another 3 months how to make a business, and after that you will be given the support of the starting materials, tools. Like suppose right now in CRC Shillong, we have a program for training for entrepreneur. We have a 30 seat. So I was very surprised to know that we have a 30 seat right now. But the registration is going on right now. But out of the 30 seat, only 16 students has come forward for this entrepreneur program. So, and for this also you will be getting 2,000 per month stipend. And after that, there is a provision just after the training program, you will be placed somewhere. You will get a job. So I'll urge to many who are here today to please take this benefit. And then we have a meritorious scholarship for those students who perform well in education. We are giving 2,000 per month for the students who are good in studies. These also you can get more details. You can get it from the department. So there are a lot of things. So I will request the department. Like I said, even in the urban areas, they don't know about all this support from the government. So what about the rural areas? So that's why I will request the department to please to take the effort of giving more and more awareness program. And in the coming days, as you know that I am the health minister as well as the sports minister. And I already told the department that we also will focus on Paralympics. We will be giving the opportunity to our youth who have the talent in sports. So even from sports also we are pushing to give the support and training to the people with disability so they can showcase their talent in sports. And we do expect that someday they will bring laurels to our state. So with these few words,